Wedding planning can be rough. Are you tired of trying to figure out the process? How about trying to look through those vendor contracts? Are you frustrated in the process of really trying to figure out what should go first, what should go next? You're not alone, I get it. Having planned weddings for dozens of brides and having been in your shoes as well, I can assure you, you are not alone with all of your concerns, some of the doubts, and perhaps fears as well regarding your wedding day. As your best friend planner and your guide through this wedding planning course brought to you by Hinesmark Affairs, we are going to give you the 7 key milestones to help you get down the aisle for your wedding planning journey. Follow me. Milestone number 1, it's all about the mindset. Milestone number 2, that takes you into that early planning process. And milestone number 3, folks, this is what we like to call save the date and say yes again. And milestone number 4, book it. You're halfway there. And milestone number 5, we like to call that tie a bow on it and make it official. At milestone number 6, this is crunch time, folks. Very particular and intricate details of your planning journey that must be accomplished. Then we get to wedding day bliss. At milestone number 7, you have followed all of these milestones. But wait, there's more. Click this link below. See that link? Once you click on that link, you're gonna get even more great information regarding our wedding planning course. But not only that, just for tuning in today, you're gonna get a special rate on getting access to everything we've discussed for the Hinesmark Affairs Epic Wedding Planning course. You're also gonna be able to access a free resource that we're giving away. It's the Wedding Planning Roadmap that will help you along your wedding planning journey.